the struggle. I'm mad shiny. Like, mad shiny right now. It's okay though, I'm in the house. You know what I'm saying? Shine on, shine on. I'd rather be shiny than ashy and dusty looking. See what I'm saying? But y'all, once I figure this out, I'm probably gonna come back, you know what I'm saying, and give y'all a little glimpse of the kids' skills, you know what I'm saying? I'm a fast learner once I decide I really want to learn something. So I'm about to go get me some good old aloe vera water and get that in my system. Try to stay away from sweets because I got these trips coming up. One trip in like less than 30 days and the other one in like 40 something days. Either way, I don't need the snacks because I need to be right tight, looking extra poppin'. You know what I'm saying? In these clothes, in these swimsuits. You know what I'm saying? You can't be just falling all out the place and everything else. Like, that's not really for me. You know, I mean, hey, if it's for you, do what you do. But it just ain't for me. Okay? Okay. So, yeah. We're gonna wrap this up. And, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna holler at y'all. Toodle. What up, everybody? What's good out there? Happy Friday. Hope everybody's had like a great, amazing week and about to have an even poppin' like weekend. You know, I'm sitting in the car right now. I'm out here at Lynn Haven Mall. Jets though, like I'm more than sure y'all can hear them. I kid you not right now while I'm trying to do my video. I'm about to show y'all the outfit of the day. So y'all can see I'm rocking my high keys from the Desi Perkins collection. Like, and if y'all don't know who Desi is, she's also a YouTuber on here, and she did a collaboration with Key. So I would definitely leave the link below for these shades, like, cause they're bomb. I'm definitely trying to get like all the colors, but they be sold out. That be like the most horrible thing ever. You go in there, you like, all right, I was waiting. They go so fast. You know, people got their notifications on like swole, like, yo, soon as these pop up, I'm getting them. So right now, I'm just gonna sit right here so I can get out this car because I don't want to just go in there and be waiting and everything else, and it takes her like a real while. Okay, she said she'll be here in 2 minutes, y'all. 2 minutes. Ooh, we making progress. Ready to get in here. The food is so good. Like, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all where we're eating at in a few, because since we're out here at Lynn Haven Mall, I do need to come in here and I need to go to Sephora as well. So I'll probably do that after I finish eating. But yeah, I really like the place. I came here a few times, like for lunch, and then just out to eat with my boys as well. So it's fairly nice. So y'all can see, we going here to Maggie McFly's, located at Lynn Haven Mall. Bomb. It's real bomb. You know, if you of age and you come out here, they have really great drinks too. So you can indulge in those as well. This wind don't want to let me be great with my hair. I can't. It's mad hot right now. But I am enjoying the fact that it's warm. You can actually put on some spring kind of clothes. Gotta enjoy it because we know how this go. Like last Friday, we was all on here and it was nice. It was everything. And then what happened? The next day, it rained. You know, told y'all I was going back to black. Gotta get back to my natural state of everything. But then I'm going back to work on Monday. So it's time to tune it down. So I'm back to the black. But of course, I love my black bob. Well, I'm gonna come back and check in with y'all when I get in the spot. So until then, I shall holler. Okay, Jeannie might come over there. People in here, so that's even better. But I'm gonna come back to y'all because they got this music playing. We don't want no copyright. No copyright. right in front of going down. So our food has just came. I got the crispy chicken, no, crispy shrimp salad. Got the Barbie Dream House, like Martina has like pop rocks around like the rim. It's so good too. But y'all, I'm about to dive into this salad, so I'm gonna holler back at y'all in a few. Of course, they made it to Sephora. Looking, trying to see if there's anything new that I need that I didn't have. So far, everything that I've needed, or I thought I needed, I looked and I'm like, oh shoot, I got this. So I'm just going to carry on. And then there's other things that I want, but in all actuality, I got everything. So it's kind of pointless. But then other stuff I'm gonna have to go online and order because they don't carry it in store. But I'm about to get ready to head home, so I will check back with y'all. I made it back home. These are my new shoes I just got. The heel is actually very short compared to what I'm used to, but they were so cute, and I actually needed like some denim heels, like some sandal types shoes, because I have like boots with like the peep toe or whatever, but they're more up to the thigh. But I needed something like a little better. Back in the building, running into stuff. Let me see if I can get my whole fit. You know what? I got y'all. Hold on. Pull it down. Here we go. Fashion Nova outfit. It's actually supposed to be in my haul, but it was such a pretty day today. I was like, yes, why not? Why not go with this? I'm close and personal. All of my personal things. So, this light is kind of funny in here. Perfect. Alright. I need to go put my phone on the charger. And I'll chill out until tonight festivity. Hey. Ooh, I gotta stop. I'm kind of dizzy. I'm going the smartest thing today. I believe having this morning. It was so nice. Chill. Went to the mall, you know what I'm saying? Went inside the mall. Which, I know I'm the last person who needs some shoes. The absolute last person. But they had a little sale. It was only like $25, so why not? And then I don't have it. I should have put some holding spray on my hair. So it stayed the way I had it, but I'll fix it back tonight. Before I go out, I might get y'all a little sneak peek of the festivities. I might. Look, I ain't making no promises. You know what I'm saying? Because this G14 classified. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where y'all clearance level, you know what I'm saying, hold up at. You know what I'm saying? So we can't be putting everybody in the business. We might. You know what I'm saying? I gotta figure out what I want to wear though. Because I know about tonight it's going to be cold. I already know. It was nice out now. It's like 80 something degrees, but by tonight it's gonna be bad business. So probably jeans, some boots, cute little jacket, touch up the look, maybe make it a darker eye. Yeah, I think they make it a little darker. You know what I'm saying? But edgy. So that'll probably be the move. Everybody want to message me right now, so let me go and check these messages and these emails. And if anything, I'm gonna see y'all tonight. More than likely, I'm gonna check back in tonight. If not, then y'all know what's lit and I couldn't. But I'm gonna holler at y'all in the morning though. What up, what up, what it do? Happy Saturday, everyone. About to go enjoy this nice little weather while we have it. About to go hang out with the kiddos. We're gonna go hit Dave and Buster's. And hang out there for a bit. But other than that, I hope everybody have a great day. It's bright as I don't know what happened. Lord, this pollen on my car. This don't make no sense. I swear it's like, I know these leather seats hot. That's the only bad thing about having leather seats. Is the fact that these seats be dumb hot. Head itching. But yeah, let's turn that down. We don't want none of those copyright problems. But yeah, we in the whip, about to carry on. So I'll holler at y'all when we get there. Alright, look, he just gotta be in the camera. They're a special breed. It's okay, they mind though. It's alright. This one little curl just don't want to do right. But for real, y'all, I'm out. Deuces. Alright, y'all. We done made it to the mall. Go into Dave and Buster's. Lord Jesus, I know it's probably like 1,000,001 kids in here. Gotta mentally prepare myself for this. It's about to be a whole situation. So, there you go. Go! It always smells so good, like right at the entry. Come on. To find somewhere to sit. So we can get some food, but this music is loud, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this off. We'll come back. Trying to figure out what we want for appetizers and to eat. Watching the screen, so they ain't really paying attention. They need to be figuring out what they want to eat. Oh! We'll see. We're gonna look. We'll check back in.
I know what I want.
Everything almost gone. I forgot to turn it on when it came. But we ready to go play some games, so we're trying to eat so we can get up.
Love.